Welcome back to Mr. and Mrs. Daily English. Today, we are diving into the most requested topic, love and first steps in dating.
That's right. Being shy is normal, but the language doesn't have to be hard. We will teach you the polite, confident, and correct way to approach someone you like.
This lesson covers 3 crucial steps: the compliment, the invitation, and the perfect response. Get ready because you are about to learn real-life English.
First step, the compliment. Hi there. I hope this isn't too sudden, but I just had to say, you look absolutely fantastic today. Explanation. We use absolutely fantastic for a high-level compliment. Repeat after me. You look absolutely fantastic. You look absolutely fantastic.
Oh, thank you so much. That's really kind of you to notice. What a sweet thing to say. Explanation. Always accept compliments with grace. Sweet thing to say is a great phrase. Repeats. What a sweet thing to say. What a sweet thing to say.
Angelina, is it okay to say, I love your hair?
Yes, but only compliment something they chose. Clothes, hair, smile, not their body. We repeat a few more compliments. I really like your jacket. You have a great smile. And make sure you introduce yourself. What is your name? Explanation. This is the natural transition.
My name is Brad. What's your name? Second steps. The invitation. Angelina, I was wondering something very important. I really enjoy talking to you. Would you be free to grab a cup of coffee with me sometime next week? Explanation. We use grab a cup of coffee. It's very casual. The phrase I was wondering removes pressure. Repeats the full question slowly. Would you be free to grab coffee?
Angeline, what if I don't like coffee? What should you ask then?
We need options. Would you prefer to grab a quick lunch? Or maybe we could go for a walk in the park. We practice all 3 options. Would you be free for lunch? And maybe a walk in the park.
Key tip. When you get invited, ask a specific question to show you are interested. What day would work best for you? Repeats the key response phrase. What day works best for you?
Let's try setting the date. How about this coming Saturday afternoon? Repeats the time proposal. How about this coming Saturday?
Angeline. Third steps. The perfect response. Accepting. That sounds like a wonderful plan, Brad. I'd be happy to. Saturday afternoon works perfectly for me. Explanation. Use strong, positive words like wonderful plan and works perfectly. Repeats. Works perfectly for me.
Fantastic. I will text you my number now just in case. I'm looking forward to it. Explanation. Always exchange numbers at the end. Repeats. I'm looking forward to it.
Declining gracefully. I really appreciate the invitation, Brad, but I am unfortunately busy at the moment. Explanation. Always validate their effort. I appreciate the invitation. This is key. Repeats. I am unfortunately busy.
Angelina, what if I ask why?
The man must never ask why. He must simply say, I totally understand. Thank you anyway, and have a great day. That's the perfect, respectful response.
I totally understand. Thank you anyway. That was a fantastic lesson. You now have the confidence and the phrases to ask anyone out respectfully.
Remember your etiquette tips. Be kind, be specific, and always respect the no.
Now let's hear from you.
We have a question for you in the comments.
What is the most polite compliment you have ever received or given in English? Write it down below and practice your new words.
If you want us to teach you how to deepen the relationship after the first date, make sure you subscribe and like this video.